Introducing the EG Stomp.
Ooh, yeah. We're Equestria girls and we're here to shout at the magic.
Let's break it down pony style. We'll start off with the stomp. Stomp your feet. Left, then right. At the same time, cross your arms and lean side to side. Repeat. Practice makes perfect. Now let's try the Canterlot clap. Start with your feet together and jump out. Bring your hands together and clap 2 times. Put it all together. The last step is the pony cheer. Stomp your right foot and punch the air with your right arm. Repeat. Have some fun. Now let's put all that together.
Equestria girls and we're here to say we're gonna see things a different way. We're
And make it your own.
girls and we're here to shout that the magic of friendship is what it's all about. We're Equestria girls standing side by side, finding the magic of friendship deep inside. Equestria girls.
Try the EG Stomp with your friends.